Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you Igbo women romantic name but in Engli-Igbo. Engli-Igbo is a combination of both English and Igbo language to praise women in Igbo. Tomato Jos, fresh tomato from Jos. So when you see an Igbo woman and you call her Tomato Jos, you are apparently telling her that she's fresh like tomato. Chocolate, mwah. Chocolate. Idi okay. Igbo full option. You are thick. Egovin nwa. Mommy. They said when an Anambra man calls you mommy, you have entered his heart. Is it so? Odu Baje boys. Baje means break. Hey girl, you are breathtaking. You are breaking the boy's neck. In other words, when you pass, hey, these guys will turn back. They will turn their back. Asamarova, excess beauty. Asa means beauty. So Asamarova means excess beauty. Hit the subscription button for more.